Is it legal to have a bonfire on a Texas beach? Texas is a state that has miles and miles of coastline, and there's no one law that applies to every beach in the state. It's important that whatever jurisdiction you're in, whatever beach you're at, you look at the local rules. Some places like Galveston and Corpus Christi forbid bonfires or open fires of any kind on their beaches. In some state parks, you may be able to have a bonfire. So it's just critical that you know where you're at and you look at the local laws. Generally, there's going to be a sign that says no alcohol, no fires.